Hey guys, welcome back
Hi.
to another vlog. Sun says hi. So it's Sunday and I am going to clean up the bathrooms. So I had my water boiling because for some reason I be seeing people use boiling water when they put it in my bucket. But I'm gonna try this. So I got the Fabuloso watermelon. I also have the watermelon Febreze spaces that I'm gonna put in the bathrooms once I'm done. I have some wipes I will use. Some bleach. Where's my gloves? Oh, okay, and I got my gloves. So let's go get that stuff set up. So I'm gonna start off with the boys' bathroom first. Amar, why is all of this on the floor? Okay, well, guess what? When you done eating, you need to clean all of this up. Like all the blankets are on the floor. Like I'm not understanding. Okay, so I'm gonna get my mop and my bucket out. I'm not even gonna show you what the damn thing looks like because it's just stuff all over. I'm gonna do the vacuum. Okay, and I'm gonna take my broom out. What is this? What is this? So I'm gonna just take you along on how I clean the boys' bathroom up. Cause yeah, their bathroom needs to be clean. So I'm gonna pour my hot water in my bucket, my Fabuloso. And I should have, I used the Clorox wand to get inside the toilet. And we're gonna use some of this for each of the bathroom. Okay, that's all I need. All right, so let's get to it. All right, you guys, so their bathroom is clean and it smells so good. Cleaned the toilet, you gotta get behind the toilet. Mopped, fresh towels are out. Love these small spaces by Febreze. I tried the watermelon flavor, so that sink is clean. Air is clean. The tub, that's clean. You got new washcloths, so yeah, I'm tired and I cleaned our bathroom, but the floors are drying, but everything is clean and smelling good. So we have not decorated much in the bathrooms, but we are moving, so I will decorate once we move. But for the time being, everything is just clean. So new bathroom, clean towels for the week. My phone is dying, but real quick, this is all of the baby stuff that we got thus far. My grandmother got her a bag, 2 bags full of clothes, one of my diaper bags, this is her swing rocking chair, and at the bottom of this box is her play gym, but we still have more stuff to get, so shout out to grandma. And I'm about to start on dinner, so we're having baked mac and cheese, some collard greens with some smoked turkey necks, and I'm gonna do some stuffed chicken with some cornbread muffins. It is 2:33, so I'm about to start on dinner. My phone is dying, so I'm gonna catch y'all a little bit later while I'm cooking dinner.